We're back with you today to cover our semi-annual fall-winter contemporary versions. Yes. Monica, we know you were waiting for this one, and here it is.
Let's be real, we were too.
It's true. We need to see these beauties again.
Oh, every time I get to pull them out, I just swoon again.
Look at them.
They're amazing. Okay, we do that way too often.
We finish each other's sentences at this point, so don't mind us. Okay, versions 2. 2 versions on this one. Version 1, version 2. We'll start you with version 1. As you can see, they're right here in front of us. So I think we get started on these big, beautiful pieces.
I think we have to.
Deal. Okay.
Would you like to hand me Behemoth?
I will hand you Behemoth. Okay, don't mind Lily back here getting comfortable. Okay, this
Behemoth.
Behemoth number 1. Gorgeous.
Oh my gosh.
You know, we're not even sure that in the video this is going to do it justice, but when you put them and hold them in your hands, you'll understand exactly what we're saying about these. Phenomenally gorgeous.
Video and photos truly cannot convey and translate the true coloring and design and just beauty of the item. And that's really true for so many things that are featured in the fall collections. So apologies,
Yes.
and you're gonna have a great surprise.
We promise you will be pleasantly surprised
Yes.
when you open these up. Large also, which is great. They're beautiful statement pieces. They are lidded jars. You can use these as vases as well. Don't let that inhibit you by just hearing jar. It is whatever you really want it to be. Storage vessel, jar, vase, you name it. I'll go from the top of the lid.
Okay.
So we'll say top of lid, which is right here, all the way down. This one is 15.5 inches high.
Yeah, guys.
Huge. Huge. And this 9 inches wide.
Perfect.
Lid comes off. Ta-da! Beautiful. I'm gonna grab this one for you and put this one down.
Thank
Very
you.
carefully, don't mind us. Carefully. Okay, there's one. And then number 2. Thank you so much. These could be year-round use. You can do these year-round,
absolutely.
spring and summer, absolutely. If you wanted to make one a vase and one a display jar, put your spring or floral in here, and then you change the look completely.
Absolutely.
This one is 11.75 inches high and 7.75 inches wide.
Perfect.
I know. We just need a minute with the jars.
Yeah.
I love them.
It's a good thing this is a sample because I like to hold.
I will love it and pet it.
Oh man.
So for version 1, you'll receive both of these jars. You'll also,
You guys. It's a golden pomegranate. You can't go wrong with a golden pomegranate.
give me all the golden fruit, please.
Bring it on.
It's beautiful. It's a great accent piece again. Fall, winter, it's going to be wonderful. It looks beautiful next to the jars.
Yes.
And if you're a part of our inner circle, Maddie posted earlier today a little short reel showing these. It really showcased them quite well, I think. So join, if you're not already a member, you can request to join, and if you are already a member, check that one out if you want to see them a little more close up.
Yes.
We'll take top of the stem
Okay.
to the bottom, 7 inches high,
Perfect.
and
He's girthy.
He really is. 5.5 inches. It's good size.
She thick.
Have a little enjoyment over the holidays. Still working on losing that.
That's okay. I'm gonna take these out so I don't get all topply. Oh my gosh, you
Yeah.
guys.
Again.
Now, I just showed these in a live in our inner circle, so you guys may recognize them from there. But our set of 2 marble taper holders, and it's not a little bit of marble. From top down, straight marble. She's heavy. Please do not put on any type of loose shelving.
Yes. What Maddie just said, no floating shelves for this one, please. Make sure you have a nice, solid area that you're going to place these, because these are solid marble.
Yes.
Beautiful. Heavy and solid marble. These are, oh my goodness, these are 7 inches tall.
Oh, nice.
Yes, so you have 7 inches, and what we're doing is we're including for you flameless. You receive a pair of flameless candles, tapers to go right in there, and then you've got your batteries not included, please. You'll have to include the batteries, add those, but very easy, and then beautiful. And this will light up and have that little amber glow, and they'll look great.
Yay. Wonderful.
And then, you're very welcome. One final piece on this one. I know many of you have been waiting to see this because it wasn't in when we were showing items off in the inner circle. So now we have it available for you to see. I have it down here. I kept everything by our feet. Forgive me. Okay.
You guys. No. It's a white glass top plate on a golden pedestal, and it is a beautiful pearlescent finish.
I will turn this. It might be a little shiny, so forgive us if you see the light, but that way Maddie can explain it more, and I'll just try to keep my hand here to help with the reflection.
And hopefully we can get some better up close photos for you guys and include it in the listing. That way you're able to truly see the item and better appreciate just its raw beauty.
This is gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
I know we use that word a lot, but look at all the things around us. It's hard not to. This absolutely is gorgeous, and as Maddie said, this is a glass, and it's that kind of pearlized milky white.
Yes.
Okay, I will balance if you measure on this one, okay?
Okay. Alrighty, so we are looking at 13.5 in diameter, and about 6 inches tall.
Fantastic.
I can't wait.
I love it.
I see cupcakes. many cupcakes.
I was just gonna say, ooh, botanical from their last fall winters.
Could go the botanical route and make it a very nice, lovely item with candles and
cupcakes. Tier your cupcakes on a little tier and lay your botanical underneath. There you go.
There we go.
There. Best of both worlds. Pretty and yummy. Can't go wrong.
Really can't.
Okay, I'm gonna move this guy over here. Version 1 is done.
That is version 1.
We're rolling through these for you. Like we mentioned, we're trying to go a little faster when we can, but still have you see everything and have us explain. Version 2.
Version 2. I will put a disclaimer. Version 2, if that is the collection you chose to receive this season, please lift with your legs when you receive the box. Everything is solid marble and
Very
heavy.
Extremely solid marble. Now, many of you might recognize, if you were a semi-annual member previously, we started this collection for you. We are adding more to it.
So this is your collection. If you would like to fully complete your marble collection that we began for the, I believe it was fall winter of 2023, the version 2 will complete that marble collection that we have slowly continued throughout the seasons.
That's always a plan for us, is when we're able, it's our intent to keep building that collection for you. So as you saw in the modern traditional unboxing, we added the Sleepy Fox votive holders to your Sleepy Fox sculpture, which you received last fall winter.
Yes.
And with the semi-annual contemporary, we are adding on more of this marble collection for you. So you have a full collection, and it's not just a piece here and a piece there.
Yes.
I can tell you this is heavy. Heavy.
Yes.
And he does have feet on the bottom, which is wonderful. You'll love that. So you have 3 feet on the bottom, the lovely gold rim, and then we'll be including for you the pillar candles that go with these. And then also there's, I'm not going to turn it because I know you're going to get that glare and I don't want to do that to you. There's also gold here on the top, which really just makes it pop a bit.
Oh, yes.
And I'll take one. Thank you so much.
They hefty.
There's another. Again, each of these, since these are solid marble pieces, each one's going to be a little different than the other. Some are going to have this kind of beautiful rose burgundy stripe in there. The veining is really what they call that. So it'd be rose burgundy veining in a few. Some will be a little bit less so. All of that is completely normal. Each piece has been carved out individually.
Yes.
Also feet on the bottom for this one, same gold rim, same gold on the top, also including a pillar candle for you. And wow,
They hefty.
wow, I will get some measurements for us. Very hefty. It's a little arm workout too, so
It
see, there you
is.
go.
I mean, you will really get that workout in trying to figure out where to best display them. Do I want it here? Do I want it here?
See, there you go.
So,
you don't need dumbbells, you just need marble candle holders.
you just need home decor.
That's it. 10 inches high on that one.
Wonderful. Set him down.
Thank you.
Gently.
And then this one here is 6 inches high.
Wonderful.
And these also are 2 pieces that you can leave out all year long.
Yes.
You really want to winterize or fall that a little bit more, pull in for fall, pull in that really pretty terracotta color pillar candle. And in the winter, you want to do a red, a green, a white. Oh, pretty.
Spring, you could bring in your mints, your baby blues.
That light pink, ballet pink would be really pretty in there.
All beautiful and very, very versatile.
See? So those are, again, year-round pieces. We have one more year-round piece for you that's included in this version. Oops, don't mind me. Sorry. Hidden stuff. I kept it on the ground because these are same marble as your candle holders. Incredibly heavy here too, and sturdy and amazing. Gold base and the top. Would you like to hold? Yes, thank you so much. I'll measure.
And it is felted on the bottom for this guy. So the candle holders had the little feet, and this one has felt covering the bottom.
Thank you. Yes. Your diameter for the top here is 12 inches, which is great. There's a lot of cupcakes that can go on.
I was just thinking that.
Cake, cupcakes,
More cake.
appetizers. This one's also going to be about 5.5 inches high.
Perfect.
So we have that one, and then we have 2 more pieces that are included in this curation.
Yes.
You're going to see the beautiful golden pomegranate again. Each version receives the pomegranate, and I still love him.
We loved him so much. We felt nobody could be left out. So
You need this. And he is also felted on the bottom, which you will appreciate. You receive him, and then we have one more piece. All you have to say to me is crystal, and I say, yes, please. Pretty much. Yes, please. Crystal. Yeah.
would you like me to hold?
Yes.
Okay.
You go ahead and explain, and I will measure.
Now this is a beautiful square crystal base and a metal flower bloom. We're calling her the Adeline bloom. And it does have a insert section for a taper holder should you wish to use her as a taper holder. However, honestly, we feel she is just beautiful and enough of a statement piece that you really don't need to add that unless you so desire to do so.
Yes.
But
if you wanted to,
you guys,
you slide that in, and then you have the taper. We just used, we're not including a taper for you on this one. We did put this one in just to show you, and we did white because when you do the white with those big marble candle holders, it just really,
it makes a statement.
yeah, it does. And it's beautiful. Again, as Maddie mentioned though, you needn't use the taper candle at all. It can just be a decorative piece. And we're adding one more time to this collection for you. You had a white piece in the spring summer on crystal base. Now you'll have your gold piece to get you through fall and winter on the crystal base again. And it's 5 inches in diameter.
I will say, lift carefully when you do receive it, as it is metal, but you don't want to be too rough with it as they may dislodge.
Yes. Thank you. Yeah, just carefully open. Carefully
Yes.
open, please. And then what you'll do is when you're pulling this out, if you don't want fingerprints, put on a pair of gloves and then pull it out, because as we all know, with that crystal, you're going to see little fingerprints on it. Or just give it a little buff once you put it into place, and then you'll be fine.
She is lovely, but she remembers who touches her.
Very true. Very true. However, you could catch people
You could.
by whose fingerprints are on your decor. So maybe you want to leave them. I think we have just covered.
Y'all, we blew through it.
Look at
I don't know how we did that.
Neither do I, because we had a lot to say about these pieces. We don't know if you can fully see it down here on the table. However, we have several of you who chose the version 1 of the semi-annual contemporary, and you also chose the modern traditional semi-annual. And so you can see,
We had to show you just how beautifully your selections will go together. And we're so glad you were able to see our vision too, casually allowing a few different styles merge into one beautiful collection for fall. So we really can't wait for you guys to receive everything.
we're really excited, and we're hoping to see some pictures, especially as you lay these out. Version 1 and version 2 of the semi-annual contemporary go beautifully with that modern traditional, and you can pull those together and really meld those two styles together very well. They don't need to be kept separate. These are styles that can come together very easily. We did it.
We did it, you guys.
Done. Okay. We've got 2 more to finish filming for you. So on deck will be the semi-annual fall-winter modern farmhouse.
Yes.
Oh, just wait. There's more coming.
You know I'm excited about that one.
Yes, yes. We'll see you soon. Thanks so much. Bye.
Bye.